Today we'll be turning these ingredients into this. This is going to be a more modern version of demi-glace, not your traditional espagnole and reduced stock version, but just a heavily reduced version. So to start, we'll take a couple of kilos of chicken wings and a couple of kilos of beef bones. You want to make sure you get a few marrow bones in there. I'm using ribs and marrow bones. Now we'll brush a bit of tomato puree all over the beef bones, making sure you get a generous amount on them, and throw these in your oven until well browned. Next up, just some veg prep. No real right way to do this, just chop it all up fairly small, making sure you remove these parts of the onion. Drizzle over a little bit of oil and give it a good mix. Then you can throw that in the oven too. After 20 or 30 minutes, your bones should be nice and brown. So we're going to take them out, flip them over and put them back in until the other side is brown too. Once your veggies start to brown, you can give that a quick mix and put it back in the oven again until it looks like this. By that time your bones should be done too. Now get yourself your pressure cooker and you can put all the bones in it. If you don't have a pressure cooker, you can also do this in a slow cooker, but it will take considerably longer to cook, around 8 hours. Next thing you want to do is get rid of all this excess fat. Just pour that into a bowl and use it for other things. And don't get rid of this tray just yet, we're going to use it for something in a minute. So just put it to one side. In the meantime, get all your veg into your pot too. And you can add your bay leaves, and finally your peppercorns. Now moving back to the pan that we cooked the bones in, just put it on a moderate heat, add just enough water to cover, and then scrape all the brown bits off the bottom, and add this into your pot too. Now just add enough water to fully submerge all of the ingredients, put it on, and bring that up to full pressure. Cook at full pressure for 3 hours, and then make sure to release the pressure before opening up your pot. Now transfer all of the solids into a colander over a bowl, because we want to collect any last liquid that drips off of them, and we'll strain everything through a fine cloth. I'm using a J cloth over a sieve. Once you've got it all strained, you're going to want to skim off all of this scum and fat that collects on the top. Now turn your heat to maximum and start reducing this down until very thick. When it looks like this, it's still not done, just keep reducing it. Now this is what it should look like. Make sure you scrape every last bit out of the pan, you don't want to waste any of this, and put it into a small container. It should be this thick. Once you're at this stage, you're going to put it in the fridge for at least a couple of hours or overnight until it's fully set, and it should come out looking just like this. Now to store this, we're just going to cut it up into usable pieces, and you can keep this in the fridge for a week or in the freezer indefinitely. Now anytime you want to improve the consistency or flavour of your sauces, you can just chuck a couple of these in for a deep, rich, meaty flavour. See you next week.